Welcome. Let's talk about why strategic due diligence is a game changer for M&As. I'm here to break down some key insights that can make or break your next big deal. First off, strategic due diligence is not just a box to check. It's a critical process that dives deep into a target's financials, legal standing, market position, and operational efficiency. This thorough approach helps you weigh the risks and rewards, giving you a clear picture before you dive in. Now let's talk opportunity cost. Due diligence is time-consuming and it can distract your top talent from their daily grind. So budget your team's time wisely to keep disruptions to a minimum. Remember, time is money. Knowing when to walk away is another crucial element. If doubts persist, even after significant investment, don't be afraid to pull the plug. Acquiring a subpar business can have long-term negative impacts. It's better to preserve resources for better opportunities down the line. Leverage technology to streamline the process. BI and AI tools can analyze data quickly, while cloud-based solutions and virtual data rooms make document sharing secure and efficient. Cash flow is king. Evaluating the target's cash flow forecasts is paramount. Insufficient cash generation is a red flag, especially if short-term debt financing is involved. Prioritize cash flow analysis to avoid nasty surprises. Minimizing delays is essential. Use virtual data rooms and cloud-based software to speed up information exchange. Prompt communication keeps the momentum going. Focus on key due diligence components like short-term working capital, reliability of cash receipts, and cash burn analysis. Be vigilant about red flags such as discrepancies in financial statements and unresolved legal issues. Lastly, consider bringing in expert help. Financial advisors or firms specializing in due diligence can streamline the process and ensure a thorough evaluation. So there you have it. Strategic due diligence isn't just important, it's essential for making informed decisions in M&As. Until next time, stay sharp and strategic.